Want a delicious twist on bread? Today we're making a crispy, sweet, and savory soy sauce and nuts bruschetta recipe. All you need for this recipe is pomodorini, bread, soy sauce, olive oil, honey, and chopped nuts. We start by cutting the edges of the pomodorini, and we make sure to put them in a pot filled with water. We should let them boil for about 20 minutes until they have this smooth and ready to peel consistency. Then we continue by peeling the pomodorini and placing them in a small plate. After that, we continue by placing the bread in the baking pan. This is my favorite part and the easiest one basically. Then we drizzle some olive oil. After that, we continue cutting the pomodorini in small pieces. In a frying pan, pour some olive oil and add the chopped pomodorini. Let them cook until they break down into a sauce-like consistency. Place the bread in the oven for about 5 minutes until it turns golden and crispy. While the bread is toasting, mash the pomodorini to make the sauce even smoother. Next, add a cup of chopped nuts for a crunchy texture. Then pour in some honey for a touch of natural sweetness. Finally, add the soy sauce and stir everything well until fully combined. Then, top each slice with the rich, flavorful sauce and your delicious dish is ready to serve. Personally, I do believe that this crispy, savory, and slightly sweet recipe is perfect as a snack or appetizer. Give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments.